Hey, hey, hello there. So I forgot to make an intro for this. So this is the intro. I was minding my business and I said, you know what? I want to save money today because I do. And I said I have to go to the grocery store because I did. Hey. So I told myself to try out Ibotta and I did for the first time. I am pleasantly surprised and I would like for you to watch this video, check it out for yourself, and let me know what you think. Because if you don't check it out, then you can't get money back from the groceries you're already going to buy. Yeah, so I love you guys so much. Thanks, comment, rate, and subscribe. Okay, how do I look? Oh. Hey y'all, so we got back from Walmart and I have all of my items. I'll put on the side how much I earned. I got about $63. Oh, I got about $36 back and I'm actually really excited because it worked. And so if you've ever been skeptical about, well, should I try it? Should I bother with it? Honestly, my whole thing was, should I bother with it? Yes, because I eat. I love to eat. You need to eat. And why not? Get a couple dollars back because inflation is real. So the only two things on our list that we did not get cash back for are the ragu. So I will be emailing them about that because it's supposed to be $1 off. And I don't appreciate that. This is supposed to be $1 off too. But this one was the salami one. So just in case you tried this out, get the salami, not the pepperoni. But I am going to show you a couple things that I got. And yeah, let you know that it's real. Make sure you go ahead and use my referral code. You will get $10 plus a little bonus for uploading your first receipt. And that's really what made me do it. It was just the sign up. The sign up, I automatically got some money. Once you reach the $20 threshold, you're able to cash out to PayPal. Honestly, with your first receipt, you can cash out and it's PayPal, so it's real. It's not in exchange for gift cards. I thought that too, but I'm actually really excited because I'm going to cash out today. This I'm actually really excited about because I really wanted to try it and it's so big. I believe that we got this for free. We got $1.25 off of this at least, and it was pretty cheap. So I'm very, very happy to try this. I see all the girls drinking this, so I'm glad that we were able to get this 50 cents off. When it says off, you're getting the money back. That's the whole point. Getting cash back, the 50 cents back, the $1 back from these things, it honestly makes the purchase worth it. It makes you want to get stuff that you'll try out. So I also got this. It's cute and little, but it was like $1.30, so I only paid 30 cents for it because I got $1 back. I stick with Mission, or I'm not sure what the other one is called, El Monte, stuff like that. But I always see Goya and I always hear people talking about it. So I'm glad that I was able to use the coupon to try out these products, especially this Chipotle chilies, well, Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. That will be amazing. And I know my husband do something crazy with that. I was able to get these Townhouse pita chips and flatbread chips. Wanted to try something different than what I normally use, which is Ritz or just regular Toll House. And I got $2 back by purchasing 2. So this was amazing. These are my top 3 items that were actually already cheap, but I got $1 off of them. Honey Made graham crackers, you already know, it's name brand. Okay, these are the ones. These are not the 2s, these are not the 3s, these are the ones. They were already $3.32, I believe, and I got $1 off. So I thought that was a great price because you're paying that anywhere else anyway for their brand. These 2 ice creams, this icy one was already like $2.12, so I only paid $1.12 for this. And the same with this, it was about $2.38, so I paid $1.36 for this. And these are perfect. I live where it's very, very, very hot, so these will be perfect to just eat out on the patio with my family. And yeah, I'm very excited about these purchases. Update. The Olipop is really nasty and it's making my stomach hurt. These were the biggest money makers. Protein powder, and I got protein bars. And these were $4 back. When you buy 2, they were $5.46, I believe. So I paid about $6 for 2 of them. This was $17. I got $5 back for this. So these were the biggest money makers right here that definitely added to my total. As you guys see, also I got a lemonade bonus. I wasn't even aware that I was adding items for a bonus, so that was a great plus as well. Definitely check out this app. I promise you, it's great. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, go ahead and use my referral code so that you can get $10 when you sign up and use the app to upload your first receipt. Okay, let me know how it works out for you. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you.